Hello everyone, we are at VMUG in Leicester here, and I have Nick here from NAKIVO, and he's going to explain us a little bit about the NAKIVO Backup product.
Okay, thank you.
Hi NAKIVO.
Hi. So NAKIVO is a US company, and we are delivering software since 2012. And NAKIVO provides backup and replication and file recovery for VMware environments, for Hyper-V environments. Also we support Nutanix, support backing up Amazon instances, and obviously you can back up either on-prem or to Amazon or Azure cloud. And also NAKIVO supports all sorts of enterprise level things. So this can be global deduplication, this can be different types of backup verification, so you can be sure that your backups are consistent and you can recover from any time. We also support a very good feature which enables you to do site recovery. So basically, you can build disaster recovery plans, and you can run this plan on a recurring basis to test this plan if everything goes fine. And in case of disaster, you can just launch one site recovery job. This site recovery job will enable you to recover the VMs in that sequence you wish to recover. Let's say you can first recover AD server, then you can run some script, then you can make the verification of if this AD server is pingable, if it's running, if it's on. Then you can recover some other services that rely on this HTTP server. So you kind of build a workflow of the process, and then in case of disaster, you can quickly recover your environment in that sequence as it should be.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers. Thanks a lot.